I don't know if the truth will eventually come out when Kwezi is consistently seeing Uba Kumete. I don't know if the truth will be exposed and somebody's gonna tell the truth somewhere. Because now, tell me why umuntu abona isipoki emsebenzini. Not only that, but it happens while she was sleeping, and then she started ngathi iyaphupha. Then she wakes up and realizes, oh God, I am not pooping. No, I'm actually seeing it. There he is sitting right there, and unfortunately, the boyfriend cannot see him. Speaking of boyfriend, okay, well, unkosi cannot see ubantu babugumede. Ubani manje? Ubabugumede. Yes. He cannot see her, he cannot see him, but she can see him. And then it looks like manje udilulu because now she keeps saying nangu hleli la. Emsebenzini there was an important meeting. She goes there, umthola hleli esitulweni sakhe. Where I am enjoying this to bits. Why does it not happen in real life? And then abantu abamoshile kube kanje nje. Awe. While on the other hand, Peterson has lost again. Oh, kaze beng expect in. At some point, I'm even feeling very ashamed. At some point, I was very excited saying, oh, Peterson is coming through. He's going to put the receipts on the floor and then beso muntu uyajele kuphila. Akekho umuntu uyajele bafowethu umuntu uyabhatalwa nangu umuntu uphandle. Like, he is so disappointed in himself to a point where he's thinking of even paying the inmate ukuthi basokolise unkosi, the one that is paid, ukuthi angahlali kamnandi lapha yakhana azokhuluma iqiniso. And it ain't gonna happen. It ain't gonna happen. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we are going to be reviewing Skeem Saam. Ndimadekwana sanibonani abshini molweni minjani hipukile hingongwina. So namuhla ka nongona kwa hina wa Skeem Saam hikuma kurashla tshamisekangi kahle, looking at the fact that the two boyfriends were in the same roof, Lehasa Maphosa as well as Nkosi. So also I must say, please excuse the background noise. It's Easter time and the kids are making noise. So now Lehasa comes through and then he says, "Ow, ubuyile." Athi Nkosi, "Bendiyephi?" Ow. Well, then they started talking. Lehasa started dropping some bombs and shades. Ooh, wena crazy. Yo, awumind ukuba iside chick, dali. Yo, Kwezi was so ashamed of that comment. That yo, awumind ukuba iside chick. I say, ngize lana ngifuna ukuhambisa umntanami for ama-treasure hunts and stuff. Athi unkosi, no, khuleka njani. Athi no, when you should be talking about your own kids, because abantwana bakho now they are thinking ukuthi abanatata, uhleli apha wena ufihla emzini womunye umfazi. That slaps differently. Wena ushatilwe emzini womunye umfazi. Like yo ufihla ikhanda under a woman's house. Shucks, that was so mean of Lehasa to say. But it's not like Lehasa is having anything ehambayo, because his relationship as well, I don't know why bangavele bashade nje, because it's like they really, I don't know if it's a relationship or a marriage. That thing is cold, man. I don't know, manje. He has decided that they must leave and go for a pre-honeymoon or something like that, so that Upriti can be out of the house, and then bese kuba nale transaction yakhe nomalume wakhe, which I don't understand what is going on there. But I'm just saying with the relationship yakhe noPriti, it's so cold. I don't feel in love. Yabona uKwezi nonkosi, I feel they're in love. I fall in love with them. But nje laba boyithu khohlwane. Mr. Peterson uhlangana lo Mlisa, who is head of security, ambuza ukuthi unkosi ukubhadarile wena The same way he paid Unkosi of Ati, when you have worked, you need to be paid for the services that you have rendered. And that conversation did not end well while he requested him to go out. But he was there to have some lunch or whatever that he was having. But then Mr. Peterson, because he has the powers that be, he told him to leave, and he